Welcome back to another video here in China. I am currently in the city of Chongqing, which is home to 31 million people. This place is massive. So unfortunately I'm only here for one day and one day only, but wow, I'm already in love with this place. It is cool. The plan for today is to just walk. Nothing on the agenda. We're just gonna walk, camera in hand, get lost, try and see what we can find. I've already had a little stroll around this morning and there is just chaos happening everywhere. This is what I love about Asia. It's just the pockets of movie-like scenes that happen everywhere, and it takes me hours to get anywhere because I'm constantly out with a camera just trying to capture these moments of everyday life. Like I said, the plan for today is just to get lost. Camera in hand, just explore this massive place. But first, we need coffee. Came across this cool like ropeway cable car thing that goes across the city and connects you to another part of Chongqing, as it's in like peninsulas. So we bought tickets for it, and we got about a 45-minute wait. I said to Chloe, oh, I wonder if there's any like vantage points of it where we could like shoot a photo of it crossing the city with the skyline in the background. And yeah, we came across that bridge. I was actually photographing that bridge this morning, but from way down the river, and that was super cool. We've got to rush though, because we've actually got to get on the cable car now, but I definitely want to get back there when there's some better light for sure. The cable car itself, or the ropeway, wasn't great. It was like sardines in a tin. But I think I've unlocked a new obsession today of trying to photograph that cable car in as many locations as possible with the skyline in the background, because it looks cool as. Old versus new, just love it. Just more lovely people, man. Like, just went into this little hole in the wall, got some noodles, and the language barrier, it's just amazing. Like, technology is the best, and yeah, lovely people. Chongqing is famous for spicy food, and last night we had a bowl of noodles that my lips are still burnt from, and we asked for like little spice. It's the weirdest spice I've ever felt in my life. It's like, it doesn't burn your head off, but you just tingle everywhere. Like you touch it and you touch something and you touch your eyes and whatever, everything tingles and it does never go away. Luckily enough there, they did it like real little spicy, just a little kick, but that was so good and the people were lovely. I was just having a look on the map at where I could shoot that cable car from, and that location just came up. It was pinned on one of the maps. They've got it all figured out there for tourists. Like, people, that's an apartment block. People are selling like food, coffee, tea outside of their house. There's probably more tourists and people taking photos there than there are residents in that block. That was insane. We're pretty much running out of time, and after having a little run around this area, I've decided to come back to the spot that I found originally, get the 100 to 400 out and try and get the last light before it goes behind the buildings with this bad boy, with the 2 twin towers and the cable car going in between. But we have an annoying crane that keeps swinging around in front of us, so yeah, it's a rush against time. One thing I love about these Uber cities are just the layers of buildings, and when the light changes, the depth and everything just, I love layers in the mountains and I love layers in cities. So I'm back where it all began this morning, about 16 hours later. What a day. Chongqing, amazing city. I wish I had more time to explore here. Chasing that cable car around the city was super fun. That was the highlight for me. Tomorrow we're up bright and early. We are heading to Chengdu for a couple of days. Really excited and looking forward to exploring that part of the country. Once again, thanks so much for all your support. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more China videos. We've still got a lot more to come from China. So stay safe and I'll see you in the next one.